allowing your mind to be drawn to God's presence. But mind is going after special things of this world, highlighted. The same presence of God is in a tree all over it. But flowers are the highlighted aspect. So we allow inspirational sources from the world, things that inspire you. The purpose behind it, just like you are introduced to writing. I'm talking about very early stage kindergarten. Every letter is highlighted before you. A, big A, B, C, K, K, K. And you love particular letters, how they form. But as you advance, your handwriting transcends all the way you learned it. So in the early stage, you are seeking God's presence in special things. You go into the forest to bring flowers. You don't bring thorns. So you go over to special things. But as you advance, all is divine. Nothing is out of the divine reality. So from Vibhuti Darshan to Vishwarupa Darshan, you are led. First was looking at the glory of God, spreading here, spreading there. Next is look at the entire world as one form of God. Nothing is separate from God. God is the one, all encompassing. Next stage, you are that one. Jnana Drishti. Vibhuti Darshan, Vishwarupa Darshan, and then Jnana Drishti.